Good morning, my dear student. Today in our class, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Geometry is very general topic which one can relate practically by visualizing each concept. When you start studying geometry, it is important to know and understand the basic concept. Today in our video, we are going to discuss the basic concepts of the geometry. So let us start.
Point. A point is a mark of position, a small dot made by a sharp pencil on a plain sheet of paper, the end of a pin, a corner where any two walls and roof of a room meet suggests us the idea of a point. A point has no size. It means a point has no length, breadth or thickness. We name a point by a capital letter such as A, B, C, D, etc. Line segment. A line segment is a straight line that has beginning and an end. The line segment shown here is called the line segment AB. Ray. A ray of light coming from the sun or a torch gives us the idea of a ray. A ray has a definite starting point, the sun or the torch, but goes infinitely in the other direction. A ray shown here is called a ray AB, which has a starting point A and extend infinitely in the other direction. Line. A line can be extended endlessly on both the sides. It cannot be drawn completely on a paper. In practice, only a portion of a line is drawn and arrowheads are marked at its two ends, indicating that it extends infinitely in both the direction. There are two types of lines, parallel lines and intersecting lines. Parallel lines. Two lines which do not intersect each other at any point even if extended to infinitely are called the parallel lines. Thus, two lines are parallel if they lie on the same plane. They do not have any common point in between. The distance between these two lines always remains same everywhere. For example, the track of a railway line or the opposite edges of a ruler. Opposite side of a blackboard show the parallel lines. And the symbol for parallel line is two parallel lines. Intersecting lines. Two lines that meet at a common point are called intersecting lines, and the point where these two lines meet called the point of intersection. Line AB and CD are the intersecting lines and P is a point of intersection. Remember, we can draw uncountable or you can say infinite lines through a point. Now let us try to solve the questions of exercise 4.1. First question is, use the figure to name. First part is 5 points. Here in this figure, 5 points are D, E, O, B and C. B part is a line. Here BD is a line. C part is 4 rays. In this figure, OD, OB, OC and OE are the 4 rays. D part is 5 line segment. DE, EO, OB, OC and BE are the 5 line segments. Question number 2 is, name the line given in all the possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. From the given figure, the lines are AB, AC, AD, BA, BC, BD, CA, CB, CD, DA, DB and DC. Question number 3, use the figure to name. First part is line containing point E. So here AE is a line which contain a point E. B part, line passing through A. So here a line AE is passing through A. C part is a line on which O lies. So on line OC, point O lies. D part, two pairs of intersecting lines. CO and AE is one of the pair and AE and EF is another pair of intersecting lines. Question number 4 is how many lines can pass through one given point? So, infinite lines, or you can say countless lines, can pass through a given point. B part is how many lines can pass through two given points. So, only one line can pass through two given points. Question number 5 is draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. First one is point P lies on AB. So we can draw a line segment AB and we can put a point P on a line segment AB like this. Second part is line XY and PQ intersect at M. So we will draw two intersecting lines XY and PQ and they will intersect at point M. C part is line L contain E and F but not D. So you will draw a line L and E and F point will lie on a line L but not the point D. D part is line OP and OQ meet at O. So draw two lines OP and OQ meeting at the point O.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope the concepts are clear to you. Try to do the questions in your notebook yourself. See you soon in the next video. Till that time, take care.